3 seconds. US President Donald Trump's reciprocal tariffs have significantly affected India. They have adversely impacted the Indian economy, making recalibration of both external and internal policies imperative. Swadeshi has long been a cornerstone of Prime Minister Modi's philosophy. He has made a fervent pitch for Swadeshi through Make in India and Vocal for Local slogans. Today, the Swadeshi plank is rooted in practical pragmatism. PM Modi has once again invoked the spirit of Swadeshi in his recent call to National Democratic Alliance MPs, asking them to turn Swadeshi into a mass movement. Modi's push to celebrate the upcoming festive season with Swadeshi Melas is cultural as well as economic. The question, however, is whether such a revival of Swadeshi can counterbalance the Trump tariffs. Modi seeks to draw upon national sentiment. His call to choose Indian made goods at a time when global currents appear hostile may or may not resonate as before. Whether we like it or not, today the world is a small place and consumer choices are not confined to a region or country. They are Epicurean, not ideological. The 21st century economy is not easily swayed by patriotic purchasing. Even if it works, it would play only a marginal role in offsetting the tariffs. Indian exporters will still face tough competition and the pressure will show on jobs and incomes. Swadeshi fairs in constituencies may boost visibility for local artisans, but they cannot substitute for a national export strategy. The Prime Minister's emphasis on manufacturing and self reliance is well placed, but along with this, much more needs to be done. For India to withstand trade shocks, it must improve productivity, cut red tape, and invest in supply chain resilience. The recently announced GST reforms are a step in the right direction. If implemented in earnest, they can indeed ease business operations. Swadeshi cannot be an excuse for protectionism or a nostalgic fallback. It must be reinterpreted as competitiveness. India's best bet against tariffs is twofold. First, to diversify trade partners and negotiate from a position of strength. Second, to foster genuine domestic capability so that Indian goods are not chosen merely out of patriotic duty but because they are of good quality. The long term goal must be to make made in India synonyms with quality, reliability, and innovation. The politics of Swadeshi may rally sentiment in the festive season, but the economics of Swadeshi must be grounded in competitiveness. Modi is right to remind India that self-reliance is no longer a slogan but a necessity. The challenge is to ensure that it does not remain an emotional appeal but evolves into a structural transformation. Only then can India meet tariffs abroad with resilience at home.